Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video, we're going to be creating a function inside of our database service. And this function is going to be responsible for taking in some information and then creating a chat inside of our Firestore database. So with that said, let's get into it and let's see how we can do this. So to get started, the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to go to our database service class, and then I'm going to go down to where I have my delete chat function. And after the delete chat function, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add a new function. I'm going to say that this function is going to return a future document reference, and this will be optional. And I'm going to call this create chat. And then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to say that this function is going to take in a map of string comma dynamic type, and then it's going to be underscore data, and then it'll be an asynchronous function and it'll return some stuff. So what are we going to return? Well, for this function, we're going to have a try catch block. Inside of my catch block, I'll just print the error statement if an error occurs. And in the try block, I'm going to create first a document reference, and I'll call this underscore chat, and then I'll set that equal to be await, and then underscore db dot collection, and then I'm going to go to my chat collection, and then I'm going to add to it this data that was passed in by doing underscore data, and then adding a semicolon at that. And finally, once this is done, I'm going to return the underscore chat variable. And that's pretty much all we had to do. So this function is just going to take in the data that was sent to it and create a new document inside of our chat collection. And I'm going to do command save to this now. So with this, I'm going to end this video here, and I'll see you guys in the next video where we'll actually try to implement a function inside of our user's page provider, which will allow us to create a chat. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.